renovating in Sydney, don't just grab any vanity off the shelf. A bathroom vanity isn't like a chair you swap out every couple of years. Once it's in, it's there to stay for ages. If you want something that still looks stylish and solid 10 years down the track, you've got to think long-term style when you choose. Hey, I'm your bathroom buddy from MyHomeware, and today I'm here to show you 3 vanities that tick all the boxes for durability and timeless design. If you are planning a bathroom reno in Sydney anytime soon, you will definitely want to check these out. First up, the Brighton freestanding vanity from Cito. This one's real long-term winner. Made from PVC, it's completely waterproof, so no peeling or warping down the track. The freestanding design looks bold and balanced, with those wavy texture panels and a single side drawer that give it a real designer edge. It's the kind of piece that won't date or go out of style. In fact, the longer you have it, the better it looks and feels. Plus, it's super practical. No fuss about where your waste pipe is, no stress about matching tiles, and it fits easily with all sorts of bathroom styles. Wall-hung vanities are all the rage right now, and this one's a classic, the Carousel Walnut Wall-hung Vanity. At 900mm wide, it's compact, but super practical, and because it's off the floor, cleaning around it is a breeze. It's built from sturdy, eco-friendly plywood, so it's tough, moisture-resistant, and made to last. Don't let the size fool you, the curved edges open for plenty of everyday storage. You can even match the handles with your tapware finish and pair it with the same size mirror and a countertop basin for a classical bathroom combo. The warm walnut timber finish adds that natural touch, making it a dream pick for anyone who loves the Scandi or Japandi vibe. It's the kind of piece you will enjoy looking at for years to come. French-inspired minimalism never goes out of style, and that's why the new Luca Harold Federation vanity has been flying off the shelves. It's a beautiful blend of classic detail and refined simplicity. Timeless design you will love for years. The integrated sintered stone basin gives it that sleek, modern edge, while also making cleaning super easy. It's a perfect mix of elegance and practicality, smooth, stylish, and built to last. If you are after a vanity that feels on trend today but will still look amazing in the future, this one's a sure winner. Choosing the right vanity is not just about buying furniture. It's about bringing a piece of long-term style into your home that will last for years. If you are keen to create a bathroom with a long-term vision, pop into the MyHomeware showroom here in Sydney and see for yourself. Or if you'd like to explore more bathroom ideas and budget-friendly options, just tap my profile and check out the full range.